Welcome back! Are you ready for another video class? Well, to begin with, let's start with our dance practice to stretch a little, and I want to show you that I'm practicing. Remember, you need to practice because by the end of this week, you're going to have to send me evidence of your dance. Here's
Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. You know my heart don't stop.
Believe it or not, I'm practicing. If you think you're doing too much work, listen to this. I'm learning a TikTok for third grade, a TikTok for fifth grade, and a TikTok for sixth grade. But I would like to dance more. I can do more and more and more. Hey, dancing, my thing. Okay, for this class, let me tell you, we don't just have one topic. There's no specific topic. I mean, not a page in the book, but the topics are conditionals. We did zero conditional. Then we did first conditional. Later we did second conditional. This class is to practice conditionals. You might be thinking, conditionals, formulas, But let me tell you, we use conditionals in real life, in conversations with people. In this class, you and I are gonna practice with real examples. We are gonna learn when, when to use conditionals, what to use conditionals for, and and I don't know what else I was saying, but we'll practice conditionals. Okay, to begin with, let's remember the formula for first conditional, which is this. Let's review the formula for first conditional, which is this. And the formula for second conditional, which is this. I like showing you the formulas. Now, do you remember what the grammar box said about each one of the conditionals? Take a look.
At this point, it is very important that we state conditionals always have two clauses, an if clause and a result clause. Zero conditional has two clauses, if clause and result clause. First conditional has two clauses, if clause and result clause. And second conditional also has two clauses, if clause and result clause. We need to know this because it is important that we don't get confused. The difference is the verb tenses that we use and the conditions for each one to take place. Now that we know how conditionals are similar and how they are different, I'll give you some examples, real life examples, and you will help me identify which conditional was used. Okay? When you go ask your mom for permission to watch TV, she doesn't just say, "Yes, my baby, I love you, and of course you can watch TV." Nuh-uh. She sets conditions for you. And she says, if you want to watch TV, you finish your homework first. She's being nice, strict, but she's saying, yes, only if you finish the homework first. She's using present in the if clause and she's using present in the result clause because that is which conditional? It's zero conditional. Present. Present, it's zero because there's no condition at all. It's very obvious. You don't finish the homework, excuse me, you don't finish the homework, you don't watch TV. That's very obvious, natural, and if you do, no good. Okay, get ready for example number two. Pay attention, please. You are at home, just, relaxing. Suddenly, like fast, you get an idea. Oh, you want to go to the movies. You want to watch a movie at the cinema. So you call your dad, you pick up the phone and dial his number. Tick, 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 tick. Ring. Your father answers, and you tell your father you want to go to the movies. Your father is not at home then, but he says, okay. He says that after he gets off from work, he'll take you to the movies, but he sets a condition, like mothers and fathers usually do. Good for them. Your father says, yes, I'll take you to the movies if you clean your room. If you clean your room, I will take you to the movies. Your father is saying he will take you to the movies because at this point in this moment, he's not in the house, he's at work. So a few hours later, which is future, later when he's back home, he will take you to the movies. Do you see? If you want to go, if you clean your room, your father will take you to the movies when he's back from work. That is which conditional? First conditional. Well done. I'm giving you another example, a real life example. I'm going to tell you that the next example will be about second conditional. And I want to tell you that because I want to make it clear that second conditional is a little bit more complicated. Complicated not because it's difficult for you to do it. No, no, no. The situation's complicated. But in second conditional, the situations are not real. In second conditional, you're totally using your imagination, thinking, imagining, pretending, but it's a non-real situation. Like this one. Remember the example in the book that said, if I was a millionaire, like a lot of money, I would buy a fancy car, a Ferrari. Okay? That is just me using my imagination. If I was a millionaire, okay, I'm a teacher, I work a lot, but come on, I am not, and I will not be a millionaire. Nope, not very likely to happen. And the other part of the sentence, the other clause says, I would buy a Ferrari. When you use the word would, let me spell it for you. Would. 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 Please don't say will. Don't say wold. Don't say Walt. Don't. It's would. WOULD. When you use the word would, you're just saying, I'm using my imagination. This, what I'm saying, is not real.
Good job. Let's now do some writing. After the work we did, let's do some writing, okay? Let's put conditionals in written form. To help you write your sentences, I might be showing you some images to get ideas and then make it easier for you to write sentences in each different formula. Okay, you did a great job. Before we go, I need to ask you to please write in the comments questions, comments, sentences, examples, or if you cannot access the comments down below, it's okay. You can write an email with your questions. You can also watch the video over and over and over and over again until the topics are clear for you. Okay? Well, class, see you next time. Bye bye. Kisses.